Well, hey, what is up? Welcome to the channel. Got a little project I'm going to be working on today, and I figured I'd bring you guys along and maybe share, and maybe someone can learn how to change out a starter. This is my first one, so it's kind of going to be a little learning experience for me, but I thought maybe I'll turn on the camera and see if I can get some footage of me taking the shit apart. It should be pretty simple from looking at it. I'm imagining that it's pretty simple, but so I gotta find a couple more things. I'm almost prepared to get ready, so stay tuned. Alright, so here's the new one. Let's see. Like I said, it looks pretty straightforward. Looks like there's two mounting places there, and it looks like it's it. Looks like maybe it just fits in there. Alright, let me see where I can set you guys up. Let's see. On my vehicle, it's on the passenger side. Somewhat. There we go. That's much more better. Alright. So we're on the passenger side, and that's it right there. So let's see. Alright. This looks like a pretty good spot.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I think you did.
Alright. So I don't know if the camera picked up that spark, but had a little spark, so I had to disconnect the battery real quick. Probably a good idea. Alright, so you're going to need a special tool here. There's a little heat shield. I don't know if you can see these screws that they have on here, but they're like a weird hex head. I may have it, so I gotta go find it. Alright, so I did happen to have the tool I needed. And it's right here. I don't know if it'll focus on that. But it's like a hex head socket. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I happen to have a set. I got it years ago at, I think, Harbor Freight. As you can see here, so you're gonna need something. You're gonna need that if you're working on a Chevy. I don't know. I don't know what, like Ford and the other makes. I don't know what their setup is, but this is my issues or whatever. So let's get started again. Get this thing done. Actually, I need to get this heat shield off of here. and this thing's hot, man. I recommend that you let the car cool off a little bit first.
See you guys.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Crackle through the heart. And I cried and said, "You don't know what you're doing."
Piece of shit.
Shooting.
Alright, this piece of shit just broke. Let me show you what fucking happened. God damn it. I gotta take this stupid thing back off. See that shit? That piece broke right off of there. Fuck. Alright, so we turned the other one that I broke. Might have been my fault, so don't over tighten the wire connections. It's just a little plastic, just snapped right off. You do want to make it tight enough so it doesn't, so you don't have a loose connection. But anyway, let's give this a try and see how it sounds when I start it up. Before, like I said, sometimes I would start it and it would just go clink, and then when it finally did start to turn, it was real laggy, like, and then it'll start. So let's try it, see what happens. Ooh, damn! I don't know if you guys heard that, but it started up like a brand new van. I'm gonna do it again, which is probably bad for it, but. Oh, that is so nice. I'm pretty proud of myself for doing that. Very simple install though, but that was my first one. I'm gonna end the video at that. I hope this video helped someone. If it did, let me know down in the comment section. And also, hit the thumbs up. And if any mechanics are watching, let me know how I did. I think I did pretty well. There you go. See you guys. Oh, and also, one more thing. Can't forget this part. Your life, your way, guys. See ya.